and welcome to another episode on events. In the last episode, we went over touching the brick and having it change color whenever we touched it. This is done by using the event and connecting a handler or a listener function to that event. In this episode, I want to go over another aspect of events that you can use so that you don't have to create a function every time, but you can yield your script by waiting for it. And again, I know I'm going over a concept I haven't actually detailed in a video of its own yet, so I'll go over it briefly, but know that there will be a video coming about this. But I felt that events had to be covered before I went on to anything else. So this is wait. And whenever you wait for something, it's going to pause right there. And the script will not move past whatever line says wait until it gets whatever it's waiting for taken care of. So we're going to write down here part dot part dot brick color. We'll stick with brick color equals brick color dot random, and it's only going to happen once in this example. Right now, every time we touch the brick, it's going to change color. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this part dot touched handler. If we play the game, we're going to see right now it changes color instantly. Now it's brighter white, and if we do it again, now it's this cyan greenish blue. But we don't want it to just change color right away. We want it to, first time it's touched, we want it to change color at that point. And how do we do that? Well, we're going to use the part.touched event, but instead of using connect and then a function, we're simply going to use wait. And that might be a lowercase, yeah, sorry. Not wait like that, wait like this. In lowercase wait. And now it's still the same color it started out as, and if we touch it, it changes color. But what if we touch it again? Last time, every time we touched it, it changed color. It is not going to change color anymore. Let's illustrate this better. So I'm going to explain quickly what just happened. We made a variable that referenced our part. Then part.touched, we waited for that event to happen. Then part.brickColor equals brickColor.random. So we did change the brick color in our script, but we saw that it didn't happen until the event happened. Even though this isn't in a function, it waited until the part was touched. So let's illustrate this even better. Print gonna wait now, and then here we're gonna print yay, it was touched. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll keep track of this print statement. Let's go ahead and press play. Right here it says gonna wait now. So if we go back to the script, gonna wait now, it's here, and we'd expect it to just go straight to here with what we knew already. But because the script is yielding, which means it's stuck right here. It's stuck on this line because there's a wait. So it's not going to continue past this line. It's yielding until this starts up. And I believe I covered yielding and waits a tiny bit when I went over while loops. But this is a more in-depth look at this. And this wait is yielding the script, but the other wait function that I will cover in another video, it takes a number, like 1 or 2, and that's the number of seconds it's going to wait. This waits just until the event fires, and once the event fires, it continues onward. So now let's go ahead and go back here. We still see that it's saying gonna wait now. We haven't touched the brick yet, but as soon as we touch it, yay, it was touched and it changed color. But again, if we touch it again and again, because it's not actually connected to the event, it's just a one-time wait for this to happen and then continue with this script, it doesn't fire again and again. The script is very linear. It goes in one direction. It goes from the top to bottom. It just stops until we touch it right here. So this is how the brickcolor.random is only firing once, because it's linear. It goes from here to here to here to here to here, but it stops here, and it's not going to do this every time it's touched. It only waits until the next time that the event is fired. This wait function waits until the next time that this event is fired, and then it stops waiting. It won't care anymore about whether or not the touched event is fired. It has done its job of yielding the script one time for the event to happen. So hopefully this makes sense. If it doesn't, go ahead and post a question down below, and I will talk to you guys later.